The B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber, has long been one of the most mysterious and formidable aircraft in the world. Designed to slip through enemy radar undetected, this flying wing has served as a cornerstone of American air superiority since the late 1980s. Now in 2025, the Spirit is still alive, relevant, and evolving. With upgraded systems, strategic importance, and a legacy that refuses to fade, the B-2 is more than just a relic, it's a modern ghost in the sky. Design, invisible by nature. At the heart of the B-2's legend lies its iconic flying wing design. This shape isn't just futuristic, it's highly functional. By eliminating traditional tail structures and using advanced composite materials, the B-2 achieves unmatched radar evasion. Its surfaces are carefully sculpted to deflect radar waves, and the aircraft is coated with radar-absorbent materials that further reduce its visibility. In 2025, upgrades to these coatings and structural enhancements continue to sharpen its stealth edge, making it nearly impossible to detect, even for modern radar systems. Technology, upgraded for the future. Though it's been flying for over 3 decades, the 2025 B-2 is not the same aircraft that debuted in 1989. The U.S. Air Force has equipped the Spirit with state-of-the-art avionics, mission systems, and defensive measures. Among the upgrades are improved electronic countermeasures, enhanced threat detection, and a more resilient communication system that allows secure data sharing in real time. With new software-driven flight control systems and AI-assisted threat analysis, the B-2 can now make faster decisions and adapt to complex battlefield scenarios without compromising stealth. Firepower, strategic and precise. The B-2 Spirit is not just a ghost, it's a phantom armed to the teeth. In 2025, it carries a broad array of weapons, both conventional and nuclear. It can deploy precision-guided bombs, bunker busters, and even long-range cruise missiles. Thanks to its stealth, the B-2 can fly deep into enemy territory, deliver a strike with pinpoint accuracy, and exit without ever being seen. Recent updates have included compatibility with new-generation hypersonic weapons, turning the Spirit into a truly future-ready strike platform. Role, global reach and psychological edge. More than just a tool of destruction, the B-2 serves as a powerful symbol of American military might. Its ability to project power across the globe gives the U.S. a unique strategic advantage. Whether it's a visible show of force or a covert mission behind enemy lines, the B-2 plays multiple roles, from deterrence to precision strikes. In 2025, with growing global tensions and rapid military advancements in rival nations, the Spirit's psychological impact is more relevant than ever. Limitations and the path ahead. Even as a technological marvel, the B-2 isn't without challenges. It's expensive to operate and maintain, requiring specialized hangars and regular upgrades. Only 20 B-2s remain active in the fleet, making them a rare but critical asset. As the U.S. prepares to roll out its successor, the B-21 Raider, the Spirit's days may be numbered. However, in 2025, it continues to serve with pride, bridging the gap between legacy systems and next-gen warfare. Conclusion: the Spirit lives on. The 2025 B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is a perfect fusion of past innovation and present relevance. Its design, technology, and firepower remain unmatched, and its role as a silent guardian of the skies is far from over. While the future belongs to the B-21, the Spirit remains a legend still soaring, quiet, deadly, and unforgettable. As long as it flies, it reminds the world that true power often moves in silence.